Hi, welcome to DJI Motivation. This is our new initiative to know more about successful companies and their stories. If you want to buy a new smartphone, the first brands that comes to your mind are Apple or Samsung. There are leaders in every market. The drone market is no different. It has its leader and the name is DJI. DJI, which is short form of DJI Innovations, is founded in 2006 by Wang, an engineering student at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Its headquarters is in Shenzhen, China. As a kid, he dreamt of personal robot that he could fly around, and he begged his parents to buy him remote control helicopter. From there, he started. He enrolled at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Frank designed a helicopter flight control system as a part of a project. Frank worked day and night building the prototypes. Rapidly he gains recognition selling his products around the world. DJI products are redefining industries, and its products used in filmmaking, agriculture, conservation, search and rescue, and many more. The range of products that they produce are unmanned aerial vehicle, that is called UAV. The popular one is Phantom series. Another products are camcorder, camera stabilizer, flight platform, gimbal, flight controller. As of date, the company stands at $1 billion revenue in 2015 and a valuation of $10 billion. With 4,000 employees, operates division in China, Hong Kong, Japan, North America, and Europe. DJI as a whole controls 70% of the global consumer UAV market share through sales of its trademark Phantom drones, where Frank's share in company is about 45%.
We are trying to provide an open platform on which people can work together to serve different industries, just like how the software engineers develop apps for iPhone.
So guys, that's the story of DJI. I hope you like it. So guys, follow your passion. Everything is possible. Share your thoughts in comment section. Thanks for watching.